Okay, now a very important, crucial aspect of maintaining a clear tank is the water changes. This aspect of having an aquarium is as important as changing the oil on a car is to having a good car. I can't stress the importance enough of doing frequent water changes. What you're going to want to do is change about 20 or 30% of the water every 2 weeks. This is very important to maintaining good water quality and a healthy fish environment. Can't overemphasize it enough. You got to do it. Once you figure out how to do it, it's done rather quickly. And what happens is there's a couple ways to do it. You could suck this out like you're sucking gasoline and get a stream going. However, if you get good at it, what you can do is get a stream going here. Show how we do this here. Get that going, and there we have the water going. And what we're going to do is we're gonna. Of course, you don't want to suck the fish, of course. Well, we're just going to go in the corner, and as you see, it creates turbulence, and you're going to suck the debris out, and it's going to go into your bucket here. Now, believe it or not, you don't want to get all the dirt up. That sounds odd, but you don't want to get all the dirt up because that dirt affords some biological filtration. So you don't want to clean all the dirt up. So only go about halfway down. Leave that dirt that you won't be able to see anyway in the gravel where you can't see it, and yet it provides the function of allowing biological filtration. Now, towards the front of the glass, you can get all that dirt out so that you don't have to be looking at it. So what you want to do is go in the corners, go all over your gravel, and let the hose and the water just do its thing. You're just kind of disturbing the gravel gently, not going down all the way, sucking that debris and loose particles up, and when you get to the point where you've got about 25% of the water, you've done your job. You simply lift up the hose, and it'll stop by itself, of course. Now you've got the dirty aquarium water down there. You've changed your oil on your tank, basically, and you dump that, and then after that, you're going to replace this water with water that has been dechlorinated properly and temperature approximately the same as the temperature of the water that it's going into. Remember, we're being very conservative about every aspect of dealing with your aquarium. Very slow.